I'm getting absolutely hoed these last 2 days. Uh, Episode 38, Path to a 10K Payout. Um, so today, pretty weird day. Obviously, last night got this massive move to the upside off of news of the 2 week ceasefire of the Iran war. Um, so really, I was not looking for longs whatsoever today. Was only looking for shorts. Um, and I was sizing super small. So, what happened? All right, market opened. Let me mark off market open. It's not even marked off. Market open. All right, market open. Come up, take out these highs. Perfect. Displacement to the downside, continuing this trend. Scale down to the 1 minute. Retrace. Well, first of all, we kind of barely wick out London lows. So I know we're going to want to come back and fully sweep that out. Come up into this 1 minute fair value gap. First displacement down to the downside. Stops. Kind of a big stop because, again, I was sizing small, so I was able to have a bigger stop all the way at the top of this wick to give a 1 to 2.5 risk to reward. Break-even point was these lows, and then take profit for these 15-minute lows down here. Same thing that happened yesterday. Flush down, take out my break-even, getting pretty close to my TP1. Come out, barely take me out of break-even, at break-even with by a few points, and then end up delivering, about an hour later, but delivers nonetheless. So it's just so frustrating. But I'd rather have this than a loss. Because realistically, this could have been a liquidity sweep of the London lows, and we could have completely reversed off of this. So going break even here is a smart choice. I'm not saying that I was stupid for not letting it go. Same with yesterday's trade. Do I still have it marked off? Let's see. I don't think I do. Maybe I do. This is a little different, but it's happened multiple times where we edge a low or edge a high. That could be a draw on liquidity and reverse off of it. So like as soon as we take out this internal low, I'm out. Or well, I'm not out, but I'm not gonna risk anything because it's not worth it. So is it frustrating that I get break evens and that delivers? Yes, but it's also I'd much rather take a break even than a loss, just because these last 2 days have been winning trades. If I don't go break even, doesn't mean that it's not necessarily right to not go break even, because like I said, this is a 1 minute uptrend. This very well could retrace into this tiny 5 minute gap, and it would have stopped me out, I think. Well, it would have been close, but still, nonetheless, we could have retraced higher. So even, let's say, equilibrium. Yeah, I could have retraced it to equilibrium and barely waked me out. So it's better to be safe than sorry. So is it annoying? Yes, but I'd rather take a break even than a loss. So I did win 52 cents. I did make 52 cents. So that's a positive, but hopefully next trade I take isn't as unlucky.